Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com, here with another kick-ass helmet graphic of the week. In the Fly Racing Helmet Garage, we have something that's finally not from HJC. Our friends at Icon have come out with this patriotic lid. This is the Airform Old Glory. Not only is it an absolutely kick-ass, distressed American flag graphic, this bad boy glows in the dark, ships complete with a clear, as well as this blue mirror shield, and they accent it with those blue mirrored fins on the back of the helmet. This can be yours for the low kick-ass price of $225. This is the Icon Airform Old Glory.